We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, in my last video, we mentioned we're looking for reversal. Even when the price was within this move, that's when we mentioned we're looking for buy. Even when the price was within this move, we mentioned about the possibility for the price drop and even retest the previous low. By the way, we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buy, and this is what we get. But we didn't have any update for that, and right now we want to see what's the next. First, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart, and we have been looking for this flat, and this is what we get. Now we want to see whether we can get the correction, and we can look for continuation at least the price tag 28 or not. Okay, in this case, we move to forward chart. And based on forward chart right now, we're looking at this correction. The only thing is we want to see whether we can get the correction. We need to, if we want to look for continuation, we need to see the price consolidate here for a time. Then from there, any trade we can look for buy. Buying right now is not a really good idea. The only thing is whoever get the trade within this move, they should start to book some profit if they want to keep the trade for longer time. Okay, because we have been looking for this one as a flat in relative to this, and this is what we get. There is a possibility even from here, or the price move a bit higher, drop this one, turn to a more complex correction. That's why if we get a deeper correction, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. All right, and right now based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup, and even based on 1 hour chart, the only thing is we need to see the breakout of 26.4. Okay, in this case, whoever get the trade, the only thing is within this move, they should book some profit, and we wait for the correction here before we look for the next trade. Right now, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is if we see any reversal with a sharp move flag. But what I prefer this one turn to a more complex or deeper correction. It can give me a better confirmation for continuation for long term. Okay, that's why whoever get the trade, if they want to keep the trade, maybe they move their stop loss somewhere around 24 or 23.5 within this range, at least the lowest price of this correction. Because if the price is going to drop, at least they can book some profit. Even for sell, we don't have any reversal point. The only thing is we have to wait for the correction. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.